What's up, guys? Welcome back. This is Nick up here at Maple Motors in Hendersonville, Tennessee, and today we're going to be doing a little test drive in a 1979 Z28 Camaro. This one here has the 5.7 under the hood, power steering. Looks like we got an AC compressor hooked up. We're going to be checking all that stuff out throughout this video as well. There's also a walk around. It's 2 parts to every car, so definitely look for that. You can find it at the last 30 seconds of every video. If you don't mind, hit that subscribe button and check us out, maplemotors.com. Close to 100 detailed pictures, financing, and shipping information is provided on the site. All right, guys, hit that sub button. We're getting ready to take off, go down the road, and do a little test drive. Let's go for a ride. All right, guys, before we take off, we're going to check out the interior on this car, look around. Trying to try some stuff out. Go ahead, place your bets. You think the horn works on this one? Starts up nice and easy. I could show you the mileage. Shows 95,000. I can't stand behind that. This is a 79 model. Looks like the battery gauge is coming up. The gas gauge is coming up. Our temperature gauge is coming off of the 100, so it should be coming up and working. RPMs, little tachometer, radio. Yeah, it definitely works. Jamming. I bet you that's for the AC compressor. Let's try it. I heard it kick on. It's starting to blow coal. Little AC. Interior looks pretty good. Headliner's in good shape. He said he wanted a car with AC, didn't he? Yeah. Get in and out of it. Let's see if this horn works. It does. Horn works. Wipers work. Let's see how she drives. It works. All right, guys, getting ready to take off down the road here. Go ahead and put my seatbelt on. AC's blowing nice and cold. We don't actually need it today, so I'm cutting that off. See if we can feel the horses jump out from under the hood. Speedometer's coming up on the dash. They've done screwed my road up. It's nice and bumpy now everywhere I go. But this thing's going straight as an arrow down the road. And the steering, it turns as soon as I turn. I think I done put it in second. I did. No, I didn't. This car's got a low gear ratio. Definitely does. I'm gonna get off this bumpy road and try it out again. Kickdown was not hooked up on it. I just manually shifted down into second, up into third. Turn signals are popping up on the dash there on both sides. This dash has definitely been replaced. It's nice and clean and pretty looking. There's first. Second with a tire chirp. And third. We're gonna pull off in the parking lot here. I'm gonna get some outside shots. Just walk around the car and check it out. Let me know what you think below in the description. I got all of my gear listed below as well with Amazon links. All right, guys, let's get these shots. got y'all in the window. Here we got the AC on. We just did a walk around video. Check out the walk arounds. It points out any kind of flaws around the outside of the car, inside, a few undercarriage shots. Good stuff here. I try to make it good. We're gonna head on back towards the lot. I've got a few new cars I want to get before I leave today. Definitely geared low. Got a whistling window. Roll it down just a hair so y'all don't hear all that the whole entire video. The speedometer's off. We're definitely not running 60 right now. We're doing about 35, 40. This car, man, it's nice and smooth. Steering's nice and tight. The throttle feels good. The brakes feel good. Gold AC. All the gauges work. Everything works. I haven't actually found anything that doesn't other than the kick down's not hooked up. And that's not a big issue. You get a local tranny shop and you run it up there, they'd be able to do it and get it right. Cut this AC off. Speed bump coming up in the road right here. Not too bad, nice and smooth. She's always got the second gear chirp. You can do it without even trying. Maybe not on this road, it's like sandpaper. Yeah, it gripped pretty good on this one. They scraped all the asphalt off last night. I come into work and every car had an inch of dust on it. Talk about mad. I had to clean them again. I think I've cleaned them every day this week because of all that. I do appreciate you riding along with me. If y'all enjoyed that, hit that subscribe button. Let's get to another. I hope y'all enjoyed that test drive. Check out maplemotors.com for financing and shipping information. You can get close to 100 detailed pictures, wheels, tires, parts, and accessories, and all of our inventory is located on there. We update every week on a Monday. Also do little walk-arounds here on the car lot, checking out all the new stuff. So be sure to be looking for them. And you can check us out on Facebook, Instagram, and Snapchat. I appreciate y'all watching. If you like the music at the beginning of the video, hit that Southgate production button at the end of the screen. That is my music page. I write all these songs and I have fun doing so, just like I do on these videos. I do thank y'all for watching and have a good one, guys.